Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to solve this exponential equation 5 to the power x minus 10 to the power x is equal to 20 to the power x. We have to find out value of x which satisfies this equation. So, solution for this. Given equation is 5 to the power x minus 10 to the power x is equal to 20 to the power x. Now here divide both sides of this equation by 5 to the power x. Divide both sides by 5 to the power x. Hence 5 to the power x minus 10 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x is equal to 20 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x. Separating each term, 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x minus 10 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x is equal to 20 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x. We know a to the power m upon b to the power m is equal to a upon b to the power m. So, applying this property of exponential functions, here 5 to the power x gets cancelled with this 5 to the power x. Then first term becomes 1 minus 10 to the power x upon 5 to the power x can be written as 10 upon 5 to the power x is equal to, now on right hand side 20 to the power x upon 5 to the power x can be written as 20 upon 5 to the power x. Now here divide 10 by 5, that becomes 2. 20 upon 5, that becomes 4. So simplifying this, 1 minus 2 to the power x is equal to 20 upon 5 means 4 to the power x. Hence 1 minus 2 to the power x is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square its power x. Power of power, that becomes multiplication of powers. Hence 1 minus 2 to the power x is equal to, this can be written as 2 to the power x its square. Since we know a to the power m to the power n, this can be written as either a to the power m into n or is equal to a to the power n to the power m. So applying this property here, we can write this number like this, interchange of powers. Hence given equation becomes 1 minus 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power x its square. Let 2 to the power x is equal to new variable t. Substitute on both sides, then this equation becomes 1 minus t is equal to t square. And you know, this is quadratic equation in t. Taking all terms on one side, quadratic equation becomes t square plus t minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation to get the value of t. We know roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, where a is coefficient of square term, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant term. So roots of this quadratic equation given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Applying this formula here, t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square. B is 1, so 1 square minus 4 times a into c. A means coefficient of t square, which is 1, into c means constant term, which is minus 1, divided by whole divided by 2a. A is coefficient of x square, which is 1. Okay, simplify this. Hence t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus into minus, that becomes plus 4 into 1 into 1, which is 4, divided by 2 into 1 means 2. Again simplify this. Taking this 2 on left hand side, 2t is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 is 5. We know t is equal to 2 to the power x. Let us put this value in this equation. 2 into t. T is 2 to the power x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5. But we know a into a to the power m is equal to a to the power m plus 1, because here power of a is 1. So 2 into 2 to the power x can be written as 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5. Hence 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to, one value of 2 to the power x plus 1 will be minus 1 plus square root of 5, and another value for 2 to the power x plus 1, that will be minus 1 minus square root of 5. In this value, you know 2 to the power x plus 1 is always greater than 0. And here on right hand side, minus 1 minus root 5, that gives negative value, and left hand side is positive value. So this is not valid. Hence we have to assume 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus root 5. Simplify this. Hence 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 is valid. Let us simplify this to get the value of x. Hence, taking log on both sides, logarithm of 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to logarithm of minus 1 plus root 5. You know, logarithm of x to the power m is equal to, we can write m into log x. Base of log is not given, means this is natural logarithm. So hence we can write x plus 1 into log 2 is equal to logarithm of minus 1 plus root 5. Take this log 2 on this side, hence x plus 1 is equal to logarithm of minus 1 plus root 5 divided by this log 2. Plus 1 we have to take on right hand side, x is equal to minus 1 plus logarithm of minus 1 plus root 5 divided by log 2. Hence x is equal to, use calculator to get this value, minus 1 plus logarithm of minus 1 plus root 5 is equal to 0.211935 divided by 0.693147. We are taking 6 digits after decimal point. So x is equal to minus 1 plus this number divided by this number is equal to 0.305757. Hence x is equal to minus 0.694243. Okay, so this is the value of x. Let us verify our answer is correct or wrong. Given equation is 5 to the power x minus 10 to the power x is equal to 20 to the power x. Let us put the value of x here. LHS is 5 to the power x minus 10 to the power x. So LHS is equal to, we can write 5 to the power minus 0.694243 minus 10 to the power minus 0.694243 equal to 0.327149 minus value of this. LHS becomes 0.12496. Consider this as equation A. Now we have to take RHS is equal to 20 to the power x. So this is equal to 20 to the power minus 0.694243. Using calculator we can solve this, which is equal to 0.124959. Rounding fifth digit, this is equal to, we can write 0.12496, and consider this is equation B. And here from A and B, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 0.12496. Hence x is equal to minus 0.694243 is solution of this equation or value of x which satisfies given equation. Hence the answer. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.